Today I've got a special unboxing for you. It's the FiiO M11S digital audio player. It's the next iteration of the M11, M11 Pro, and I think there was the M11 Plus as well. Obviously this is like a new age iPod with high fidelity audio capabilities, which is pretty exciting. I've got some dope headphones that we'll test this out with eventually. Here is the back of the box. You can see there. Very reflective box. It's got the the plastic still on it, which we'll be removing. Here's the side of the box calling out FiiO there. Nice little PCB board, kind of electrical theme throughout it. Pretty sweet device. We'll jump right in. Got the trusty old Desert Warrior knife here. Civivi. Great little unboxing tool. Should make a little poke right there. Gotta be gentle with it. And we'll drive that through. We're getting there. We're getting there. Definitely need to sharpen this knife. It's dulled it out a little bit after plenty of use cutting random ass pieces of paper and opening bags and such. But here you go. You can see my my fingers getting a little print on it, but sweet little box here. Very reflective. Looks great. Super excited to get into this one. Test it out. Let's see, it looks like it's out. It is a slide up. No magnets on this box. A little bit disappointing, but makes sense, I guess. But honestly, it's a pretty nice presentation. Check it out. I'll just put the knife off to the side there. We'll flip up this tab. Ooh, nice little orange box. This is just an empty cover here. Put that off to the side. Then we've got a warning label there. It says, "Dear users, screen protector has been pre-applied on the front and a protection film on the back before delivery, so you don't need to apply an additional one." It's actually great news. I was actually looking on Amazon for a screen protector before I opened this, and it turns out that screen protectors from the regular M11, M11 Plus, or the M11, the Pro one, none of those will fit this one. This one actually has a different size screen, so just heads up if anybody's run into that very specific scenario that I've run into. This is a nice little warning label though. Look at the orange. This is quality printing. Quality printing. Nice little foam topper here. Oh man, this is Apple-esque, this unboxing. This is quite high level. Props to FiiO. You can see this is the actual device right there, and we've got another little section at the bottom here where I assume the charging cable is. Let's go ahead and get the device out. Oh, this thing's chonky. This thing's got some weight. Before I unwrap that real quick, let's just jump back into the box here. It does look like there are some things underneath it. Yep, this whole foam pad pulls out. And it looks like that's all the instruction manuals, as you can see there underneath. And right here, we've got the charging cable. Nice little charging cable. It is USB 3.0, as you can see by the little blue inset there. Fun fact. USB-C on the other end, USB-A. So pretty run-of-the-mill cable nowadays. No charge brick included, which is fine. We have plenty of those, but still nice when it is included. And this little booklet slides up. There we go. I'm always scared I'm going to tear that one. All right. Some nice little warranty card. And we've got the actual FiiO Quick Start Guide here. So pretty sweet unboxing overall. This is the centerpiece though here. Oh, gentle with the flip around there. Nice little protective, I don't know what this paper is called. It's like wax paper, but it's not even close to wax paper, so don't know what it's called, but it's nice and protective. And you can see the device slides right out. It is quite a big thing here. It's got the Snapdragon 660, which I believe is a now outdated Android mobile phone processor, but you know, this does run an older version of Android that's been super customized to be a solid you know, just audio device, and it's pretty sweet. I'm excited to get into it. As I said in my other two videos, I might do a follow-up once I actually start using it. Who knows? I'll play it by ear. On the bottom there, you got USB-C. You got your two other outputs. You've got a normal 3.5mm coax out, balanced outputs for the 2.5mm and a 4mm. No idea, but let's dive into all the specs there. SD expandable storage. You've got your play pause button, previous track, next track buttons there with play pause right in the middle. Next track, previous track. The case has already been pre-applied. It looks like this little protective sleeve on it. On the left side here, you've got, I think this is volume down, volume up. I don't know if you can hear that click. It's not too bad, not too shabby. I have heard of a lot of accidental presses with these though, so we'll check that out. Don't know what these two other buttons are. We'll find that out after we dive in. And oof, that's nice. That's nice right there. Ooh, that was gentle. Overall, great unboxing experience. Big fan of this device as far as aesthetics, weight, quality of build. No idea if I'll be a big fan of it once I start using it, but that's what will determine if I do a follow-up, I guess. But that was it. This is a pretty sweet device. Thank you, FiiO. That was it. End of video. Thanks.